We'd done some work with Ken before, and it helped us win business. When it came to getting a new website, I actually trusted in Ken, and he did a website that was quite different to our competitors, and my technically minded staff and engineers didn't like it at all. That's all this me talking to the camera about the clients. They said, no, website should be the jobs we've done, our contact details, and the awards we've won. Yes. Well, Ken, we had faith in Ken, and he did it quite differently to that. And I didn't think websites made much difference anyway, so I let it go. Then we were going for a job at Kemp's Creek Bowling Club against 3 other highly recognised club builders, and there was a lot of negotiation to and fro. It was a hard-fought project in the end of the day, but the board, who'd had bad experience with builders, at the end of the day sat down and they all watched through the websites of all the tenderers, and then we won the job. There would have been other factors involved, but boy, if ours was a bad website, it would have lost us the job. But it wasn't. It's a good website. And Ken has shown that website in comparison to our competitors, and everybody who's not in the industry says, yeah, that's a better website. It's classic failing of engineers and people in the project management industry is they're too egocentric in what they think is marketing. It's not. Marketing is not that. Marketing is reaching out and touching a tone with people, and Ken's taught us that many times. So open up your mind, trust the experts, and you'll strengthen the most important part of your business, which is winning clients.